What's up, online shoppers? If you're like me and you spend a fair amount of time in the kitchen, whether you're prepping meals for the family or handling raw meat or just trying to keep things as clean as possible, you know how important it is to have reliable disposable gloves. Now, I've gone through quite a few different brands over the years, but I have to say that these Keppi 600-piece plastic gloves are definitely the sweet spot for me, for practicality and for value. So first of all, they are made from high-density polyethylene, which gives them a really nice balance of being lightweight but durable enough to handle all the tasks that I throw at it. There is no latex in them, which is a big deal for me because I have family and friends that have an allergy, so not having any latex in here is peace of mind for me. Now, what I appreciate is how easy they are and what great value it is. This box here has 600 pieces and it lasts me quite a good chunk of a year. I'm getting good value for my dollar. I love that they're actually pretty thin, so I can maintain really good dexterity when I'm doing this. I can still chop, I can season, and I can mix without like a bulky thick glove that I feel gets between me and what I want to accomplish. They are roomy enough to slip in and out of, and my husband and my son can also both use these. Their hands are bigger than mine, and you can see that there's still, a fair amount of space in here. So you've got a wide variety of hand sizes that can use these and feel comfortable. So these are obviously really well suited for handling food. I use them regularly for things like marinating meat or tossing salads, and I don't have to worry about cross-contamination. They've become my go-to for all kinds of chores, whether I'm scrubbing a bathroom, brushing my cat, or even repotting plants so that I don't get dirt stuck under my fingernails. I even keep a couple pair of these in the glove compartment box in my car so that if I have to check the oil or do something under the hood, I've got protection and then I don't have black gunk under my nails. I love that these gloves hold up and give me all kinds of peace of mind while I'm using them. And as I've said before, the value in these things is fantastic. They've got a really nice design on the box so I can just pull them out as I need them. Makes that super convenient for dispersal. So if you're looking for a solid, versatile, disposable glove that gives you good value for your dollar and great application to all kinds of tasks, as well as fitting the vast majority of the people in my family anyways, which is a pretty good wide range of sizes, these are great for using around food. They're comfortable and they are affordable. These Keppi gloves, I think, are a really smart buy. It's one of those simple things that makes life a little bit easier, and I am all there for that. That's what makes these Keppi Disposable Poly Gloves a family favorite at my house.